Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create custom fields in the newsletter. So let's start the tutorial. So you can see that there is a first name, last name and gender that we are using as a custom fields. So let's check how we are going to create this one, and let's check how the front end data will save into that one and the database also on the same. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. Let's take a demo first how it's working. So let me go to the home page and you will see there's a first name. If I put Rajni, here I'm put Kant, and here we are entering the email and subscribe. This is guest one, right? So I'm collecting the guest data. If I go to this one, you will see I'm guest and this my details are saving over here, right? So how we are going to do it? So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, this is my whole structure of the plug of the module. So we have the block, we have the controller, we have the etc. Plugin we don't require it. Okay, so we are doing it via controller. Setup, view, and registration, you know that, right? So first of all we are going to take with the subscribe. So here just we have the get action form URL, so where it gonna be submit, right? Form action, it is in the block, right? After that we have let's move to the etc first. Etc, we have di.xml file. In di.xml we have preferences that we are overriding the controller subscribe new action, right? So let's go to the controller where we put all the logic over here, new action. So this is the full-fledged logic. So here we are getting the first name and the last name and the gender, and we are going to save it, right? So this is the main function that we are using. So I will overview the whole function so that whenever you write a code you can write it over here. So this is the full-fledged code that we have to write written over here. So it will save that message with add success message, and we have get session customer ID and get success message confirmation request has been sent, thank you for subscription. Okay, currently I'm facing some issue in the messages in my front end, so it will give you that message and the status not active. Okay, so after that we have to show into the admin panel. So for setup you need to create some of the fields, that is first name, last name and the gender, correct? After that we have for view, we have admin HTML, that is layout for showing the first name, last name and the gender with the options male female not specified according to it, right? If it is 3 1 and 2, then it will selected that option. Next we have, after this we have front end where we are going to add some of the fields. So in layout default.xml we are creating template files. So here the subscribe.html file that we are going to add. Okay, so in this file we have created some of the custom fields in subscribe.html. You can see that we have the get form action from the block, and the rest of the last name, newsletter, last name, first name and the gender that we have writing over here, right? So let's move to the, this is the overall structure that we have created. And you can see that on the database structure, on the database, when we have the setup file when which we have created, we go to the setup file and you can see the first name, last name and gender is created over here. So whenever it should be added, so it will be there, right? So that's how it's working. So you can see that the first name, last name, gender will come like this. Okay, so hope you understand what exactly we have done in the newsletter subscription. So you can also add the custom fields like country one also, like which country they are belonging. You can also track the IP of that one also. So there are several things that we can do with the newsletter subscribers. Okay, so you have any query, just let me know in the comment box. But please do like, share and comment so that we can upload much more videos on Magento tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Hope you like it.